Hello everyone. Today in this video, we are going to tell you the process of e-invoice in Marg software. As you all know, the government has made it mandatory that whose turnover is 5 crore or above, then they are required to upload their e-invoices on the GST portal, and it has been applicable from 1st August 2023. So let's first understand what is e-invoicing, and then we will learn how you can upload your e-invoice on the GST portal. E-invoice. It is basically a process in which the supplier will upload their B2B, export invoice and debit or credit note of the registered party on the GST-IN portal, which is known as electronic invoicing means e-invoicing. Now the supplier does not have to face any problem in filing the GST R1 return. Along with this, their buyers will get the opportunity to avail ITC, and as the invoice gets uploaded, then the supplier will receive an acknowledgement on behalf of the government. The supplier will also get the IRN, that is invoice reference number. And in the same way, an acknowledgement will also be sent to the buyer. The purpose to start the e-invoicing by the tax department is to ease the complete process of invoicing, so that it reduces all the reconciliation problems related to the data and to easily file the return, which will help the taxpayers to easily get the input tax credit. So now let's come and see its process. In order to upload your invoices on e-invoice portal, firstly you need to register on e-invoice portal, for which you will visit to einvoice1.gst.gov.in. Then from here, you will go to registration and click on e-invoice enablement. After that, you will mention your GST-IN and then mention the CAPTCHA which has been shown to you here, and click on go. So in this way, your details will be shown to you here. Then you will click on the checkbox of I agree and click on send OTP. So an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. The OTP which will be received, you will mention that here and click on verify OTP. So in this way, registration will be completed on the e-invoice portal. After that, you will go to e-invoice portal, click on login and then enter the username and password, then mention the CAPTCHA as shown to you here, and click on login, and then dashboard will get opened. Now from the menu which are given on the left hand side of the dashboard, you will click on API registration. And from here, click on create API user. So this API registration window will open, in which it will be mentioned, do you wish to register your GST-IN for API interface directly or through GSP? So we will select through GSP. Then from the drop down of select your GSP, you will select the GSP. And here we would like to tell you that we have a collaboration with Pinnacle FinServ Advisors Private Limited. So, from the select your GSP field, you will select Pinnacle FinServ Advisors Private Limited. Then you will create a username and password as per your requirement. And then by re-entering the same password, you will click on the submit button. Then the account will be created successfully. Then simply click on OK. So in this way, we will complete the process of the portal. Now, let's come and see the e-invoice process in Marg software. First, you will see that how you can upload single and bulk invoices on e-invoice portal. So, firstly let's come and see that how you can upload your single invoice on an e-invoice portal. For this, you will go to GST, then click on GSTR settings, then click on this e-invoice settings option, click on edit. Here, e-invoice Y on F4 key, A for ask and N for no. We will set this to ask. This means that whenever you will generate the invoice, then the software will ask you whether you need to upload your e-invoice on the portal or not. Next is Y for HSN code, I for item wise and N for no. This means that if you need to upload the invoice or invoices HSN wise on the portal, then you will set this field to Y, and if you need to upload your invoice or invoices item wise, then you will set this field to I. For now, we will set this field to Y, that is on HSN code. Next is include nil exempted items in invoice. Now, some bills are taxable while others are exempted or nil rated. So, if you do not want to include nil rated bills, then you will select no. And if you want to include them, then you will select yes. Next is upload nil exempted bills as e-invoice. This means that if the entire bill is nil rated or exempted and you want to upload it as an e-invoice or not, then you will select the appropriate option of yes or no according to your requirement. Then, from the select your GSP field, you will select your GSP. that is Pinnacle FinServ, and then here in e-invoice login credentials, we will mention that username and password that you have created at the time of API registration, and then click on Save button. After that, let's come and generate the e-invoice. For that, we will go to GST menu and then click on Generate e-invoice. Then, in the period field, we will enter the date, from which date to till which date of the invoices you need to view, and then click on the Show button here. As you will click on Show button, then by default all the pending invoices of B2B, credit note or export will get displayed of the selected period, along with the proper details like GST, IN, tax type, invoice date, invoice number, bill amount, etc. You can also set the filter here whether you need to view the pending, uploaded, cancelled, or view all the invoices. Like we will select all, then you can see that the invoices which are already being filed will get displayed with a tick sign in front of it. After that, from these given 3 boxes here, you can select whether you need to view only B2B invoices or export invoices or credit note invoices, or you want to view the invoices of all of them. After that, if you select all in the filter, then you can see what is the total count of B2B, export and credit note invoices. And along with this, the software will also show to you the count of pending, cancelled and filed invoices. As here, we select pending in the filter and select this invoice that needs to be uploaded, and click on Generate. As you click on Generate, the e-invoice generation window will appear, where you can view the transaction details. You can view seller and buyer details also, and if you want, then by clicking on these edit icons you can edit the details. After this, you can view the dispatch details, and if you want to include the dispatch details, then click on this checkbox. And similarly, here is the shipment details. You can also include and exclude it as per the requirement. And if you want to upload your e-way bills along with the e-invoice, then that facility is also provided in the Marg ERP software. You will simply click on the e-way bill checkbox, then e-way transporter details window will be shown to you, which you will fill as per your requirement. And here, it is mandatory to fill the current date and also the transporter ID or vehicle number. After filling the mandatory details, you will click on the Save button. After that, from here click on Upload e-invoice, through which your selected invoice and e-way bill will get uploaded on the e-invoice portal. And this kind of an alert message of an e-invoice successfully uploaded will be shown to you on the screen along with the acknowledgement number and acknowledgement date. After this, now let's come and see how you can upload your bulk invoices on e-invoice portal. For that, from the e-invoice summary window, you will click on this checkbox to select all the invoices or select those invoices which you want to upload, and then simply click on Generate. So in this way, the alert message of do you wish to upload bulk invoices will be shown to you. You will click on the Yes button to proceed. Now, in order to check if there are any error in those invoices which you are going to upload, then you can click on this check button. So this type of error status window will get open, and if there is any kind of error in the invoices which are going to get uploaded, then all the errors will be shown to you in this error status window. Otherwise, this window will be shown to you as blank. Now, to upload the invoices on the e-invoice portal, you will click on Upload from here. And in this way, bulk invoices will get uploaded on e-invoice portal. So friends, by following the process shown in the video, you can easily upload your single and bulk invoices on e-invoice portal. Thanks for watching.